In this video, I will show you how to master a fundamental technique in CorelDRAW that can significantly boost your overall productivity and design workflow. I am talking about duplicating objects quickly and accurately without having to manually copy and paste every single time. This specific method is incredibly powerful because it allows you to create long sequences of perfectly aligned shapes or text elements with just a few simple keyboard shortcuts. To get started, first you need to select the object that you want to replicate. Once you have made your selection, go ahead and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This initial action generates your very first copy. Now, instead of leaving it right on top of the original, you should move that first new copy to your desired distance and angle. For example, you might want to slide it exactly 2 inches to the right or perhaps a few centimeters diagonally. This step is vital because it actually sets the path for everything that follows. Once you have positioned that first copy exactly where you want it to be, all you have to do is press Ctrl+D again. Because CorelDRAW is smart enough to memorize the exact distance and direction of your previous movement, it will automatically spawn the next copies in a perfect, evenly spaced line. You can keep hitting the shortcut over and over to fill your workspace with as many duplicates as you need. It is a fantastic way to create patterns, grids, or architectural layouts in just a few seconds. This clever feature removes the guesswork and tedious manual labor from your design process, ensuring that your work remains consistent and professional. It is one of those essential shortcuts that every designer should have in their toolkit.